In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger SSH to your GitHub repository, set up a webhook or a cron job to pull updates and automate deployment. This process will make managing your projects much smoother and streamline the updates from your development environment to your live server. First things first, we'll start by setting up the SSH connection between Hostinger and GitHub. Connecting these two services allows us to push updates securely and efficiently. You'll need to log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the SSH access section. Here, you'll generate an SSH key if you haven't done so already. Once you have your SSH key, copy it to your clipboard. Now switch over to GitHub and go to your repository settings. Under the deploy keys section, add a new key. Give it a memorable title, paste your SSH key, and ensure you select allow write access if you plan on pushing from Hostinger. Save your changes, and just like that, you've connected Hostinger to GitHub via SSH. Moving on, it's time to set up a method to pull updates from GitHub to your Hostinger environment automatically. You can do this using either a webhook or a cron job. Both are effective, and which one you choose will depend on your specific requirements and personal preference. Let's start with setting up a webhook. Head over to GitHub, go to your repository settings, and select webhooks. Click on Add Webhook, and you'll be prompted for a payload URL. This should point to a script on your Hostinger server that handles incoming webhook events. Ensure that this script is capable of automatically running a git pull command whenever it's triggered. Remember to set the content type as application/JSON and select just the push event. Once configured, click Add Webhook to activate. Alternatively, you might prefer using a cron job to pull updates at regular intervals. Cron jobs are scheduled tasks that can be set to run at any frequency you require. To set one up, log into your Hostinger account, navigate to the cron job section, and create a new job. You'll need to write a command that will navigate to your project directory and execute git pull. Set the timing for your cron job according to how frequently you want to check for updates. This could be daily, hourly, or every few minutes, depending on your needs. Finally, let's tackle automating your deployments. Automation helps ensure your code changes are consistently deployed with minimal manual intervention, thus reducing the chance of human error. Once your connection and update mechanism are in place, ensure your deployment script is reliable and well tested. This script should handle all necessary tasks, like running migrations, installing dependencies, or clearing caches. By following these steps, you've effectively connected Hostinger and GitHub, set up an update mechanism, and automated deployments. This setup allows you to focus more on developing features and less on managing deployments, marking a significant step forward in your project management. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!